This has been beautiful. The weather's been fabulous. We started in Paw Paw, West Virginia, and we have had an incredible ride along the C&O Canal. So much camaraderie. Just being with this group has been great. We've had so much fun.
So this is my first Gears for Good ride, and it's so important because I feel like HFA's Helping Hands program is one of the most important programs that we have, and this ride brings in, we've got all these riders and it's thousands and thousands of dollars helping family after family after family. To be able to actually get in and be a part of the community, I'm a mom too, but to be surrounded by everybody here, we've got this passion, and really every dollar that we raise goes right back into Helping Hands.
This ride has been very important to HFA because it helps to provide funds for the Helping Hands, which helps people with blood disorders to get medical care or pay an electric bill or any kind of financial hardship that might occur. And we raise $50,000 to help in that fund, and that's a tremendous asset to HFA.
The reason why I ride in Gears for Good is for Puerto Rico. So HFA was one of the first organizations that actually acted upon giving assistance to Puerto Rico after Hurricane Maria. So I don't have my flag with me, but I'm here for Puerto Rico and my people there that got desperate need of assistance.
You almost want to say you want to go to any lengths to help somebody like this. And if it just means that I'm going to get a couple of bruises or maybe a couple sore muscles just to get through this ride so that I can help somebody else, it's well worth it. It's well worth it for what they have to go through.
To be able to give back to a community that has an organization that has done so much for us, and this is our family, and to be able to do that and to show my son, just because you have hemophilia, you can't get out there and do this too. It's totally doable, and you've got a huge group of friends and family behind you doing it too.